Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your ultimate destination for deep dives into the most exciting and advanced tech gear the world has to offer. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker, a YouTuber looking to step up your game, a travel vlogger in search of smooth cinematic shots, or someone just passionate about cameras and gadgets, today's review is tailor-made for you. We're about to take a thorough and detailed look at one of DJI's newest and most refined gimbals, yet the DJI RS4 Mini. This compact stabilizer might be small in size, but it's big on innovation, power, and practicality. Designed especially for mirrorless cameras, the RS4 Mini strikes a sweet balance between performance and portability. And today, we'll cover everything you need to know about it, from build quality and specifications to real-world use, comparisons, and more. DJI is well known for its dominance in the drone and stabilization industry. From aerial imaging to handheld gimbals, they've consistently been a top choice for professionals and content creators. The RS line of gimbals is already recognized for advanced stabilization and smart features. And the RS4 Mini continues that legacy with several new touches that make it one of the most attractive options in the compact gimbal space. At first glance, the DJI RS4 Mini looks like a scaled-down version of the RS4 or RS4 Pro. And that's a good thing. It means you get many pro-grade features in a smaller, more portable package aimed at mirrorless shooters rather than bulky cinema rigs. Weighing around 795 grams, including the quick-release plate, the RS4 Mini is one of the lightest gimbals in DJI's Ronin series to date. That ultra-lightweight build makes it perfect for travel and long shoots, especially when you're working without a full rig. Despite its lightness, the RS4 Mini can handle an impressive 2 kilograms payload. Compatible with most mirrorless cameras and lenses. Whether you shoot with a Sony A7C II, Canon EOS R50, Nikon ZFC, Fujifilm X-T5, or even a slightly bulkier combo like a Panasonic GH6 with a zoom lens, this gimbal has you covered. Motor strength has been improved compared to the RS3 Mini. DJI claims a 30% increase in torque, which translates to better stabilization and faster response, especially with heavier setups. Even when jogging or panning quickly, the footage remains steady and cinematic. Handling feels intuitive, and the gimbal reacts quickly to your movements, making it ideal for fast-paced environments. One major highlight is the second-generation vertical shooting support. This isn't a workaround or a clunky accessory. RS4 Mini is designed for it natively. You can easily switch to vertical mode using the dual-layer quick-release plate system. For TikTok creators, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, this flexibility is a major bonus, especially when you want to switch back to horizontal formats on the same shoot. Bluetooth shutter control is faster and more reliable in this model. Once your camera is paired, you can start and stop recording from the gimbal itself. No cables required, no repeated pairing. It saves time and makes your rig cleaner. When you're shooting solo, this wireless convenience becomes a crucial feature. Battery life is excellent. The built-in battery gives you up to 10 hours of shooting on a full charge, enough to get through a full day. It charges via USB-C and supports fast charging 80% in about an hour. Plus, you can power it on the go with a power bank. The convenience is great for travel filmmakers and run-and-gun shooters. The gimbal features a 1.4-inch full-color touchscreen that's both bright and responsive. You can switch between modes like pan follow, tilt follow, FPV, and 360 roll. It shows battery life, motor strength, Bluetooth status, and more. The interface is simple and doesn't require diving into the app unless you need advanced settings. DJI offers smart shooting modes through the Ronin app. Features like motion lapse, panorama, and custom movement paths are accessible with a few taps. These creative modes help you elevate your storytelling and add cinematic layers to your content without complex editing. Physically, the RS4 Mini is sturdy and well built. It uses aluminum alloy for strength without adding weight. The grip is ergonomic, the buttons are tactile, and each axis has a reliable lock. There's a joystick for precision control, a trigger for ringing, and a mode button that's easy to access during a shoot. The design is functional and professional. Balancing is quicker thanks to the improved quick-release plate, which is now ArcaSwiss compatible. This compatibility means smoother transitions from gimbal to tripod. DJI includes a mini tripod with the RS4 Mini, which helps balance or stabilize it when stationary. The setup process is beginner-friendly, yet accurate enough for professional use. For vloggers, this gimbal is a must. It fits into most camera backpacks, sets up in minutes, and captures footage with the same polish as larger, heavier gear. Travel content creators will love the mobility. Wedding videographers will appreciate the ability to glide through crowded venues smoothly. And YouTubers get a tool that can adapt to whatever content format they choose, horizontal or vertical. Ease. When compared to the RS3 Mini, the RS4 Mini offers stronger motors, a better vertical shooting design, more battery efficiency, and a faster Bluetooth shutter experience. Compared to full-sized RS gimbals, it's obviously not built for large cinema rigs. But if your camera setup is under 2 kilograms, it performs exceptionally well. Against competitors like the June Crane M3S, the RS4 Mini holds an edge in terms of DJI's software ecosystem, build quality, and reworld USA BILITY. The 4 rupees Mini isn't perfect. There's no swappable battery, so if it runs out, you need to recharge. That's manageable with a power bank, but still something to plan for. Also, while it handles mirrorless setups well, pushing the payload limit with heavy lenses or lots of accessories might reduce motor performance. And while it's durable, it's not weather-sealed, so you'll want to protect it in rain or dusty environments. DJI offers accessories like a briefcase handle for low-angle shots, a phone mount, and focus motors. The gimbal's base includes a standard 1/4-20 mount, making it compatible with tripods and sliders. You can expand your rig as needed for more complex shooting scenarios. After using the RS4 Mini extensively, it's clear this is one of the most practical gimbals for creators who value mobility without sacrificing quality. It's reliable, consistent, and delivers cinematic results across various environments: urban, nature, handheld interviews, and more. Stabilization is precise, the battery lasts all day, and vertical shooting has never been easier. G has once again created a product that empowers creators. The RS4 Mini brings top-tier stabilization to a small, travel-ready body. It's packed with thoughtful features, supports modern shooting formats, and works effortlessly with most mirrorless systems. Whether you're a solo filmmaker or a hobbyist looking to improve your visuals, this gimbal makes your camera more powerful, your shots more professional, and your workflow more enjoyable. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the DJI RS4 Mini right here on Tech Vibe. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more expert reviews. Tell us in the comments, what camera would you pair with the RS4 Mini? Are you upgrading from a previous model or trying DJI for the first time? Let us know what you think and what you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where creativity meets cutting-edge tech. We'll see you in the next one.